Hello friends, subscribe my channel. Today topic is remember the people names. Speaking part 1, question with answer. Your first question, is it difficult for you to remember the people names? You say that. I would say that before my marriage, it was not very much difficult to remember the names. Still, after my marriage, the all new junk has been added to my list. So, it is really difficult for me recently to remember the names. Your second question, how do you remember the people names? Your answer, well, I think remembering the people names that don't require an extra effort from the human mind. If we meet the people regularly, if we talk to them on the phone, or even if we at least chat with them, it automatically, our mind automatically store their name. That is what I feel. Your third question, how do you feel when people can't remember your name? You answer, well, if I am not very much in touch with other people person and he forget my name, it's very much fine with me. Still, if one of my close friends or close relative forget my name, it hurt a bit, but it is also acceptable for me if they are going through some bad situation. Your fourth question, how do often forget the people names? You answer, no, it's not like that. If I meet anyone a single time, also I would always remember their name. That is my quality. Thanks for watching my channel. Please like it and subscribe it for the new update video.